Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. In this video, we will learn that how we can create banner design in CorelDraw. So let's start. First, change units. From here, select this one. Now fix its size 4.0 width and 2.0 height. Then click on enter. So you can see this banner size. We have different types of banner size. This is one from them. Now double click on rectangle tool. Select the pick tool. Click on file, then click on import. Select the image and click on import. Now drag it here. Now change its size 4.0, the same size like banner. Then click on enter. Now fix this image. Now select the text tool. Type the text. Increase its size. Type another text. Now select the pick tool. Change the alt text size. Select the tool. Hold down shift key and drag it from this node like that. Now manage the text. First, draw a circle here. Fill the white color in it. Now select this text. Click Shift plus Page Up button from the keyboard. Now change the color of this text. Select the text and select the color from here and right click on it. Again select the text, select the color and fill the color. Now select this one like that. And if you want to change the font style, you can do it from here. Which you want, you can select it from here. So in that way we can create simple and easy banner design in CorelDraw. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.